Hello, it's Becky from Motor Match Crewe showing you today this used Ford Puma ST Line finished in blue. This vehicle has a 1 litre petrol engine paired with a manual transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with LED headlights providing excellent visibility in all driving conditions. It sits on these stunning 17-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels in a dark tarnish finish, which really complements the sporty ST lining. Moving on to the rear, the boot offers a generous amount of storage space, able to fit small luggage items in your weekly shop. Into the rear seats now, finished in a sporty cloth interior with ISOFIX mounting points for added convenience. Up front, the seats are designed for comfort and support, including driver lumbar support and height adjustment, making longer journeys more enjoyable. Here we have the multifunctional steering wheel finished in Sensico trim with red stitching. On here you'll find your cruise control along with your audio and phone controls. Looking at your media screen now, this vehicle is equipped with a navigation system displayed on an 8-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth connectivity so you can easily play your own music and stay connected. Here you can alter the temperature, keeping the cabin comfortable all year round. Under the climate controls, you'll have access to 2 USB ports, space for your phone and a 12V socket. There is also 2 cup holders and extra storage in the armrests. Here you have your interior lights and also space to pop a pair of sunglasses. Thank you for watching this presentation of the Ford Puma ST Line. If you're interested in this vehicle, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our team.